video.
Hi.
Good to see you. I hope you're enjoying Winterfest again.
It's amazing.
Thank you. Did you get to see the shows?
We did.
What shows did you get to see?
We saw Kuyo.
Joy Trolley.
Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday.
Did you see Jingle Jazz?
No, not yet.
Okay,
We
well,
saw
Jingle
one
Jazz
more,
is
didn't
right on
we? He got told he is pending
He's
earlier.
pending. It's
Did
a
we
little
find
bit
out?
backed up. I would say, you know what?
No, he's naughty.
He's a little bit naughty. Yeah, but there's some time. There's some time to turn it around again.
Okay, good. Good.
Be extra nice. Don't worry, it's not as bad this year, okay?
It's not?
It's not as bad, don't you worry.
I wasn't watching this year. I found out enough.
You don't like stuffing?
Not this stuffing.
Sorry, what kind of stuffing do you like? I'm sorry, what?
A good one.
And how we got kicked off. How we got kicked off YouTube. Mom, Crega's being inappropriate.
I'm not surprised.
Everywhere we go.
That's for sure.
Santa's been pretty backed up with everything.
Has not been watching.
Oh, yeah. He's falling a little too much milk and cookies.
Oh my god, that's me.
I don't even want to get into it. No, but you know, we love the man. We love the man in red, so there you go.
Exactly.
Yes.
You should learn to love him.
The man in red.
Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your
Thank
night.
you.
Winterfest.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Have you been naughty or nice this year?
I don't know. I think I've been nice, but I think.
know. I'm on the spirit, so I'm not an expert on these things. Back in my day, we used to just get a coal in our sock. You think it would be a bad thing, but it heated our house.
Who do you think's more naughty or nice out of us two?
Well, I heard from a little elf back in North Pole, Crega was on the naughty list.
Yeah. It started already.
Well, word gets around pretty quickly, you know.
It
But
does.
it's only early. I don't know, you could turn it around by Christmas.
As long as there's no singing or dancing involved in it.
Well, I can't promise anything. Now, I would love to introduce you to our friend here, who goes to the Christmas feature. He doesn't really say much. But, you know, when he does speak, it's very important. And then our good friend Jacob Marley. We're just on an adventure with the Ghost of Present right now, so he should be around soon.
You got the Ghost of
Yeah, you
President
didn't know what
Past.
Scrooge was in 2019, remember?
I still don't know what Scrooge is.
Excuse me, if you're going to watch any of our stories, I do recommend the Muppet version.
Yeah?
I'm
Muppet
very,
version.
they predict me very nicely in that one.
Awesome.
Well,
Thank you.
enjoy yourself.
You look amazing.
Thank you very much.
That's sick.
Hello.
Hello.
All right, turning to the nice list.
The
2021.
nicest? Oh yeah? Yeah, what's gonna happen?
I have no idea. I'm gonna get screwed.
I don't know. I know a lot about you. I know more about you now than I did in 2019, and I definitely think you deserve to be on the naughty list.
Yeah, this was not a good year for me. This was definitely a bit of a rough year.
Oh, they're running to Leviathan. Heather! Heather! They're all running to Leviathan. It's closed. No, you get this instead. No. I'm so. The Leviathan King. What is this?
Favorite.
What is this, a photo shoot? I'm filming.
Oh.
I got, oh my god. Did you actually almost
Yeah,
fall on
that's
that?
deep. Look how deep that is.
Oh my god. Mom, this is why we need more moms.
That's a lot deeper.
works. Shot. I'll take a picture.
Oh, group shot? Okay. How do we make him less jealous?
How do we make him less jealous?
Yeah.
Oh, see, because he's jealous because he... Uncle Jack! Where did you go? See, he wasn't watching... Well, he thinks the whole season's about him, right? Which it is, because without Jack Frost, there would be no snow. But everybody only thinks about Santa Claus. And he's not a fan of that. So anytime you see somebody in a Santa hat, he gets a little harump, and then it gets colder. So that's why we have to hide the Santa hat.
Okay.
Snowflake and I have been trying to work on like branding for him, get him his own song. Because there's so many songs with Santa Claus in it, right?
So, is he on the naughty list?
I mean, he says you can't spell nice without ice. So he says he's on the nice list.
Oh, there he is.
Uncle Jack, hi.
Hello.
I was telling him about how you don't like Santa.
I just feel bad for the guy. He's only got one day a year when people celebrate him. Meanwhile, people celebrate me all winter long. Or all year in Antarctica. Celebrate.
I mean, if you're not the one doing the shoveling, is it really that bad?
True.
It's so pretty when it snows.
And who doesn't love a snow day?
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah, exactly. That's true.
Without Uncle Jack, the ice wouldn't have been frozen. And it's so warm out that he's having to use all of his power on the lake.
I have been sweating all day.
Just to get that going?
Oh.
Brutal. Hopefully it'll cool down a little bit more next week. Or even
Yeah, hopefully.
tomorrow.
Maybe there'll be some snow.
I hope so.
I'm hoping for a nice morning frost.
It's up to you.
Yeah. Make it happen,
The
Uncle Jack.
choice is yours.
I mean, the issue is that Wonderland said that I had to limit my powers. Originally, they were going to have fountains, and I was like, no, the ice rink would be more fun.
Oh, good idea. Good idea.
As long as you don't freeze any children,
See,
it's okay.
I wanted to turn the mountain into a toboggan hill.
Ooh, that's smart.
They said it was too dangerous.
Um,
It's just a little too sheer.
I mean,
The barrels go over fine.
That is true. They do. And then people jump off of them too in the summer.
yeah.
Barreling down a hill.
Hi.
You have a gumdrop at the end of your hat too, and you do too.
A gumdrop?
What flavor do you think that gumdrop is?
Red flavor.
Red?
Red.
Red flavor?
Red flavor.
What does red taste like?
That is red and peculiar.
Strawberries and cherries.
Oh, I got strawberry one right here. Strawberry, watermelon, cherry, and all three mixed together up here. Just in case.
Strawberry watermelon cherry.
Yeah, it's a new thing I'm trying to push in the market, but you know, we're testing it out. We're seeing how it is. And then do you have a gumdrop too?
I don't have a gumdrop on me.
Oh wait, I do have a gumdrop.
You have a gumdrop as well. Everyone's got gumdrop.
What is your flavor?
That's a good question.
Oh, I don't know.
Probably
That looks
licorice.
Like it might be cold.
Oh.
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 On the nice list.
Oh.
He gives me a nice vibe.
I don't know. You gotta check with Holly. Holly has
Okay.
the menu.
Oh, she's over there somewhere. We just saw her.
Or if you see the big fella.
If you see the big fella, he'll know.
But you know, he's busy this time of year.
He's quite busy.
I've been trying.
I know. I'm sorry.
But then we have
I'm
Crumb
also
too.
very busy
Oh.
this time of year.
This is my son, Crumb, or Cookie Crumb. Crumb for short.
Oh.
You know, we're working on his life. I'm on the list right now for Sugar Plum Fairy. She's gonna bring him to life this year. It's gonna be a Christmas miracle, just like mine when she brought me to life. And I'm the only cookie right now, but you know I have a long list of relatives that I'm waiting. Sugar Plum Fairy said she will work her magic, and I believe her. So if you see her, let her know I'm waiting.
I think she's right behind you.
I don't want to ask for too much, just like my creator, you know. I remember you were on the naughty list last time, weren't you?
Yes.
You were on the naughty list because you were going around asking every single one of us how to get off of it. Did you figure out a way to get off the naughty list? No.
Well, I did, but now we're back to square one.
Oh,
There
goodness.
was a whole like 300 days in between.
Honest to goodness, what did you get up to? Oh, you don't want to know?
We don't talk about that.
So, how many Christmas carols have you sung tonight?
How many what?
Christmas carols.
You know what? I'd say 1.5.
Okay, you need to up that to 5 next time you come. How much candy have you eaten?
None. You didn't take up our offer.
Well, at home I had like 6 packs of rockets, if that counts.
That really doesn't count because that's not Christmas candy.
That's Halloween candy.
Oh, I don't like that season. The wrong one.
It is the wrong one.
So you haven't danced, you haven't sang, you haven't eaten any Christmas candy. No wonder you're on the naughty list.
I've been trying. I'm trying. It's only the first.
It doesn't sound like you're trying hard enough to me.
There's not even any music to sing to.
You can dance? Here.
Yeah.
Here, take my hand. We should dance
Oh,
together.
I take her hand. How can you refuse sugar plum?
Look at you.
Damn, that's the most I've ever seen Crega dance.
That's the most I've ever seen Crega dance.
Amazing. I hope you'll be back again and again and again, right?
Yes.
Amazing. I look forward to seeing both of you again and again and again.
Thanks, Sugar Plum
You're
Fairy.
very welcome. Have a glitter-tastic evening.
You too.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, yes, and Happy Hanukkah and Happy Holidays in general.
I don't know why I said that.
Well, it's quite a way. We like. Actually, we should include everyone in our festivities.
Exactly.
Bring joy to the whole world, not just those who are similar to us. Isn't that a good idea?
Yes.
It's a great idea.
Now, I have a very important question I must ask you, though, because one of my workers, Bob Cratchit, he's been so loyal to me for so many years, and I've never given him a present before, and I want to change that this year. So, I need your ideas for the bestest ever present.
A ticket to Winterfest.
A ticket to Winterfest. That's a great idea. Where is this Winterfest thing that you're talking about?
Oh. Okay, a ticket to the North Pole.
To the North Pole, even better. Ooh, that might be expensive, you see, boats and everything.
Take a submarine.
A submarine, yes. We'll have to see if those have been invented yet. But well, what would you give, Rob Cratchit?
A raise.
A raise. That's a terrific idea. I'll raise his salary.
Yeah.
I'll make a whole scene of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, I'll be all
It'll
grumpy.
make you look good too.
I'll be all grumpy and like, Bob Cratchit, why are we going in yesterday? And then I will have to raise your pay. And he'll be so overjoyed. Perfect idea. Thank you, sir.
Awesome. Thank you.
Merry Christmas to you.
You too. Hi.
Wait, you really don't recognize me? Wow, I'm good. You recognize me?
Oh my god. Everyone looks so different.
Wait, no way.
Yeah, Mr. Posing for snaps over there.
That's like so long.
Who you snapping?
Well, I can't say. I'll tell you off camera.
Listen.
You know who it is.
Da da da.